So we are lucky enough to be in an accelerator program at the moment, which is being run by Digital Catapult, and it's called the High Growth AI Accelerator. It's part of the Innovate UK BridgeAI program, and this was the challenge that we stepped up to, that was set by Buro Happold, and the question was, how might we improve the efficiency of industrialised construction design by integrating manufacturing and assembly knowledge from the outset? And we saw this challenge and we thought, we've got an idea on that, so we want to talk to people about that. So we do have some background in this. So our business has very much come from the manufacturing perspective, and a few years ago we developed a set of tools for a very large cross-laminated timber manufacturer, and the goal there was, could you automate the process from a complete 3D model of a building to the nested panels ready for construction? Now, nesting tools existed, but the constraints that they have were all about geometry, and actually, when it comes to producing those panels for construction, geometry is not the only thing you care about. You actually care about what type of material it is, what the surface qualities are, which truck it's going on, whether it's on the ground floor or first floor, whether you're keeping components close to each other so that they don't end up in completely different places on the construction site. So what we did was we built a completely automated process that takes all of those things into account and gives you a set of nested sheets that give you a good material yield, but also manage to take into account those trade-offs, essentially, of what order you're actually going to put stuff together. But this doesn't fully answer the question that I just posed or Buro Happold posed on doing this from the outset, because this is doing it from a complete design that someone's already put a lot of work into. So this is where we bring that idea into our Configurator platform. So what if you were to design just from a kit of parts?